Hi everyone, welcome to all. I am Amruta S. 2nd MCom, Government First Grade College for Women, Olanarsipura, University of Mysore. Subject is Operation Research. I would like to present it by topic is meaning of integer programming and application areas in business. Already know the topic of operations research. Operation research start initiated in England during the World War II. It means it is a scientific approach to determine the optimum solution to decision problem under the restriction of limited resources using the mathematical techniques to model analysis and solve the problem. It is a decision making tool of the best optimal solution of the operations research. This pictures is indicate the best way, better way select. It is useful of integer programming of the operation research to decide the best optimum solutions. Next one, introduction to integer programming. Integer programming means integer means Latin word of whole, a number which is not a fraction, a whole number. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3. There is no decimal number or fractional number. For example, 7.8, 18.1. It is a natural number. Integer program is one or more of the decision variables as to take an integer value in the final solutions. 0 or 1 integers to decide the final solution of the project so that the real or fractional value of the variables. Integer program is many disturbance in the final solutions and the best possible optimal solution decide. It is a useful of integer programming. Specifically need the integer values in the solution of the integer programming. Next one is meaning of integer programming. An integer programming problem is a mathematical optimization or feasibility program in which some or all of the variables are restricted to be integers. In many settings, the terms of integer linear programming in which the objective function and the constraints are linear. Optimal mathematical optimization means the selection of best element from some set of available alternatives. Selection of best element from some set of available alternatives and optimal solution to a given problems. In many settings, the terms of refers to integer linear programming. Integer linear program is optimization problem is a maximizing or minimizing a real function, thus systematically choosing the input values. Integers values of 0 or 1 integer to decide of final solutions. 0 indicate the project is rejected and 1 indicate the project is accepted. Linear program means best outcome such as the maximum profit or lowest cost. Integer program, it is a useful of decision of final solutions. Next one is integer programming of application areas in business. Integer program is a mathematical programming and important role of supporting the managerial decision. The integer variables represent the quantity that can only by the integer 0 or 1 quantitative integer. 0 represent project is rejected, 1 represent project is accepted. The integer variable should take on the value of 0 or 1. Next, application there are for capital budgeting, various location, scheduling, production planning, financial analysis, telecommunications networks, computerized routing, cellular networks, and other applications. There are cash flow matching, energy system optimization, UAV guidance. The first application is capital budgeting. Already know the topic of capital budgeting. Capital budgeting means is a process that helps in planning the investment projects of an organization in long run. Represent a long-term investment decision. Capital budgeting is a long-term investment decision. In many firms or company prepare the capital budgeting. How to use this integer program in capital budgeting? In a typical capital budgeting problem, decision involve the selection of number of potential investment to decide and thinking the best possible plant location or capital equipment. 0 or 1 indicating the investment is rejected or accepted. 0 indicate the investment is rejected and 1 indicate the investment is accepted. It is useful of the integer programming in the capital budgeting. The next one is warehouse location. Warehouse location means warehousing is a when you purchase goods from a manufacturer store the before they are shipped to another location for fulfillment. Any warehouse start from you decide to low cost of transportation cost and you need fulfillment of operating distribution systems. How to use this integer programming in warehouse locations? Integers of 0 and 1 decided to warehouse is opened or not opened. 1 indicate the warehouse is opened and 0 indicate the warehouse is not opened. For example, manager to decide start with the warehouse. I will have a fulfillment of customers demands, low cost of transportation cost. It is useful of integer programming in the optimal solutions. Next one is scheduling. Scheduling is one of the important application in integer programming. Schedule means it is an arrange or plan to take place at a particular time. It is a timetable of production. Schedule means it gives the starting and completing date and time for each operations. The entire class of problems referred to as sequencing and scheduling routine are inherently the integer programming. For example, the scheduling of students, faculty and classrooms in such a way that a number of students who cannot take their first choice of classes is minimized. Faculty numbers at particular times and the preference of the students for particular schedules. The step by step separate schedules prepare integer value of 0 or 1 decision making of the useful of the scheduling. The next one application is production planning. Production planning means the transformation of inputs such as capital, equipment, labor, land it is into the outputs such as goods and service. It is a management decision. Production planning means selection of these resources to produce the desired goods at the appropriate time at the at least possible cost. How to use this integer programming in production planning? The mixed integer programming. What is mean by mixed integer programming? Mixed integer programming means requires some but not all of the decision variables to have integer value in the final solution, whereas others need not have integer values. Mixed integer programming has many applications in industrial production including job shop modeling. Job shop modeling has assigned the resources at particular times. For example, agriculture production planning involves the determining the production yields several crops that can resources, land, labor, seeds, fertilizers. It is how many capital to invest or how many land to purchase to decision make. It is useful of integer programming in the production planning. Next application is telecommunications networks. Telecommunications means the exchange of information in any form, voice, data, text, image, audio, video over networks. Communication over a distance by cable, telegraph, telephone or broadcasting must be integer value to decide the optimal solution to provide the telecommunication networks. There are minimal network is minimal capacity of the constant to be integer quantities of 0 or 1 to decide the integer quantity. It is useful of integer programming in the telecommunication networks. The next one is cellular networks. The task of frequency planning is GSM mobile networks involve the distributing available frequency across the attendance so that the user can be served. The interference is minimized between the attendance. GSM mobile means Global System for Mobile Communication is developed by the union. Is network is minimal of binary variables of 0 or 1 indicate the final solutions of 0 indicate project is rejected and 1 indicate project is accepted. Of the it is useful of integer programming in the cellular networks. The next one is financial analysis. Financial analysis means prepare the financial statement of trading account, P&L account, balance sheets. To decision making, it is useful of integer programming in the financial analysis. The next one is computerized routing, which best route of computerized to decision making of final solution. It is uses of integer programming in the computerized routing. The overall conclusion of integer programming model is one where one or more of the decision variable has to take an integer value in the final solutions. In many alternative, which is the best alternative you select, the integer variables represent decision and should only take the value of 0 or 1 of final solutions, 0 or 1 of a binary variables. For example, any company or firm 10,000 units produced in a 1 week. You decide the requirements of raw materials, labors, time consuming. This project is accepted or not accepted. It is useful of integer program to decision of the final solution. Thank you for watching the video.